Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Ebony Lux, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, y'all, let's get into this. So we're doing knotless braids. As you can see, she has purple on one side and black on the other. So that's the color of hair that I will be installing. We'll do purple on one side and black on the other. Alright, the hair I'm using today is pre-stretch braiding hair by Freetress. I'm also using lock-in edge control as well as shine and jam braiding mousse. So right now I am pre-parting her hair for a faster installation. So I am making each part and then I am twisting each section of hair up, making sure that it is out of my way. So I have a total of 7 rows. So I'm going to go ahead and clamp these pieces out of the way. And I'm going to use my lock-in edge control to get those parts cleaned up and smoothed out. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and pre-part where each braid should be using my lock-in edge control. I'm also using the edge control to smooth her hair into the braiding hair for a smoother braid. Alright, so she wanted curly ends. So I'm using my flexi rods to go ahead and wrap her ends up. And I'm also going to go ahead and dip those ends into some boiling hot water so they'll last longer. Okay, so time for me to go ahead and add my mousse. I'm using the Shine and Jam mousse. I'm just going to put that right on top and spread it all over. Make sure it's on each braid and making sure that it's on her scalp as well. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add my towel here, making sure that heat doesn't get on her. And I'm going to go ahead and dip her hair in. And I like to leave them in for 30 seconds at a time. So each one for 30 seconds. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and dry her and get a lot of the excess water out. So I'm going to go ahead and remove them now that it's dry. All right, so they came out beautiful. So we're going to work on her edges. And I'm so sorry that the camera's focus was just in and out, guys. You guys couldn't see the edges, but we got them done. All right, so here we are with beautiful curls at the end. And I love the two colors. I think that purple is just popping. All right, and I really appreciate you guys for tuning in with me today. For those of you who are new here and just subscribed, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys being here and joining my channel. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. Bye.